Welcome back to Rev and Render YT. Today we are counting down the top 5 American cars of 2026, and the question on everyone's mind is whether the United States has finally reclaimed dominance across the entire automotive landscape. Not just supercars, not just trucks, but the full spectrum of vehicles that Americans actually drive. For decades, critics claimed domestic manufacturers could not compete with German precision or Japanese reliability. This year, those critics need to update their talking points. These 5 machines prove that American engineering has matured, diversified, and in several cases, surpassed the old guard. The question is no longer whether America can compete. The question is whether anyone else can keep up. Number 5 is the Chevrolet Corvette E-Ray. The C8 platform reaches its most accessible performance expression here, combining the mid-engine layout that transformed the Corvette's credibility with hybrid technology that adds electric torque to the traditional V8 Thunder. The exterior maintains the sharp, angular bodywork of lesser C8 variants, but adds subtle hybrid badging and unique wheel designs that signal its technological sophistication. The interior continues the driver-focused cockpit with the distinctive wall of controls, configurable digital displays, and materials quality that finally matches the performance beneath. Power comes from a 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8 paired with an electric motor, producing a combined 655 horsepower. All-wheel drive provides year-round capability that rear-drive Corvettes cannot match, while the electric component allows silent, low-speed cruising that transforms the daily driving experience. Pricing starts at $104,000, making this the most affordable all-weather supercar America has ever produced. Number 4 belongs to the Ford F-150 Lightning Platinum. Electric propulsion meets American work ethic in this flagship pickup that proves trucks need not sacrifice capability for environmental consciousness. The exterior maintains the F-150's familiar silhouette while incorporating LED lighting signatures and aero-optimized details that distinguish the electric variant. The interior elevates truck luxury to new heights with massaging seats, a massive central touchscreen, and materials that would not seem out of place in a German luxury sedan. Dual electric motors produce 580 horsepower and 775 lb-ft of torque, enabling towing capacity that exceeds many gasoline competitors. The 320-mile range addresses practical concerns, while the mega Power Frunk provides secure storage that traditional trucks cannot offer. Pricing reaches $92,000 for the Platinum trim, but federal tax incentives and lower operating costs improve the value equation significantly. Number 3 is the Cadillac Celestiq. General Motors returns to true flagship luxury with this hand-built electric sedan that challenges Rolls-Royce and Bentley at their own game. The exterior is a sweeping fastback of dramatic proportions, each example customizable through an extensive personalization program. The interior surrounds occupants with genuine metal, wood and leather selected by individual clients, with a 55-inch glass dashboard that spans the entire cabin width. Dual electric motors produce 600 horsepower, propelling the Celestiq with silent urgency that redefines American luxury. The air suspension provides a magic carpet ride that isolates occupants from road imperfections while maintaining composure during spirited driving. Pricing begins at $340,000, reflecting the hand craftsmanship and exclusivity that Cadillac has not offered in generations. Number 2 is the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170. The internal combustion swan song arrives with devastating force, a muscle car that extracts every remaining ounce of performance from gasoline before electrification takes over. The exterior maintains the Challenger's retro-inspired proportions, but adds extreme aerodynamic elements including a massive hood scoop and drag-optimized front end. The interior strips away luxury for purpose, with racing seats, harnesses, and a digital display focused on performance metrics. The supercharged 6.2-litre V8 produces 1,025 horsepower on E85 fuel, launching the Demon 170 to 60 mph in 1.66 seconds on drag radials. This is not a car for corners or comfort. This is a machine built to dominate the quarter mile and preserve American muscle heritage in its most extreme form. Pricing starts at $96,000. A bargain for the quickest production car ever built. Number 1 is the Ford GT Mk4. The ultimate evolution of Ford's Le Mans winning program represents American achievement at its absolute peak. The exterior maintains the flying buttress profile and active aerodynamics that defined the standard GT, but every element has been optimized for track performance. The interior eliminates unnecessary weight, with fixed carbon fiber seats molded specifically for each owner. The twin-turbo 3.5-litre EcoBoost V6 produces over 800 horsepower, but the true achievement is the integrated chassis and suspension engineering that delivers lap times matching dedicated race cars. Pricing reflects exclusivity at $1.7 million, with production limited to 67 units commemorating the original GT40's 1967 Le Mans victory. These 5 machines demonstrate that American automotive engineering has reached unprecedented diversity and capability. From the accessible hybrid performance of the Corvette to the electric luxury of the Celestiq, from the working-class capability of the Lightning to the extreme muscle of the Demon and the racing pedigree of the GT, the United States now offers something exceptional for every type of enthusiast. America is not just back on top. America has redefined what top means.